let's go. First, choose what you want to make for your pins, then print them out on the shrinking paper. Remember to print on the matte surface of the shrink paper. After that, cut your designs. I'm using Silhouette Portrait to cut my designs. You can also use scissors for this. While they are cutting, preheat your oven according to the instructions from your shrinking paper. Put your designs in the oven and wait for them to shrink. After they are shrink, put them in a book to flatten them out. Apply some UV resin on top of your designs. Put them under the UV light to dry. After that, flip them over and glue the pin at the back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.